everyone. I don't know why this happened. But yesterday I have told you, sir, that conduct this seminar, especially for us. We have demanded to, sir, that conduct this seminar so that we can share our experience that we have gained here so far. But suddenly, and it's a very sad thing for me that my vocal cord have some issues. But still, I'm able to speak here. And I hope that you are listening me properly. So guys, my name is Gautam Kumar and I'm the student of this language. And I'm very fortunate that I'm speaking before you. And I'm very fortunate that after a long time, I'm speaking before such a crowd, right? And it's happened because of my sir, because of our sir, that he has given me such opportunity to speak before you, right? Firstly, I don't know that from where I start this topic, because if I will share my experience that I have gained here so far, it becomes day and night to share my experience, because I have gained lot of things here, right? Not only one single thing, that is mainly the language. I gained lot of things. I gained lot of knowledge here. I gained lot of experience here. I gained lots of person that they have lots of knowledge in their own fields. Here different people you can meet here, right? But the thing is that why you are coming here to learn this skill, right? I want to say that who pushed me to join this institute, and what pushed me to learn this language. Basically, as we all know, that it's a world of English. Without English, we can't survive. Similarly, if I say that some people always try to say that without oxygen, without food, without water, we can't survive. It's become a basic need for all of us. If you want to develop yourself, if you want to dominate over the world, then you may have to learn this skill. You don't compare yourself with the others, because when you compare yourself with the others, it will snatch your own happiness, right? So if you are coming here to develop yourself, doesn't matter that other person is coming or not. You are coming here, you admitted yourself for your personal growth, for your personal development. That's why whenever you come here, just make a mindset that when I'm wasting my time here, when I'm investing my time here, then I have to improve myself, right? So don't come with the friendship that when I asked to sir, once I asked to sir, then sir has suggested me that don't come here for making friendship, don't come here to build relationship, come here for purpose, right? And that's exactly that we want in our life as well. Actually, if you want to develop yourself, that one of my friends has already mentioned, that pay consistency, pay hard work, then you can able to develop yourself, right? I have recalled it and I have remembered that when I admitted myself here, it was the first time that sir has given me one booklet that was a basic structure, right? Sir said me that read it properly, but I failed to meet the sir's expectation. I was unable to read it properly. I was unable to read it fluently. But if sir will say right now, then definitely I can able to speak it properly without watching that booklet. So it is achievement for me. And if I want to give credit, it none other than sir, right? Basically, I'm not advertising this institute, but we are the advertiser, right? Directly and indirectly, we are the advertiser of this institute. If someone will ask to you that where did you learn this skill, then definitely you will say that I have learned this skill from the language learner. There is no doubt in this, right? So we are now the advertiser of this institute. You know, sir always gives you a permanent membership over here, that if you want to improve yourself more and more, then you will be allowed here, right? You will be permitted here. But there is a terms and condition that if you want to be a permanent member here, then you have to pay consistency here. Then sir will allow. And it shows that you have a proper behavior, you have a proper manner, that you are approaching in a right direction, right? That's why sir always sees in you that have you a right approach or not. So it's my opinion here, and I think I have gained lots of experience here. I'm now fluent speaker. Yes, obviously, definitely, I have to improve more as well. But I think when I was, when I admitted myself here, I wasn't able to speak even a single line, right? But nowadays, you can see the live example that I'm speaking before you, and you can't decline it. There are several people who will say that don't join this institute. Yes, I have seen here that there are several people who never attend the class regularly, but they just want to claim, they just want to blame the institute. You will find several people in different institutes, but at the same time there are several students who will say you that I have gained lots of knowledge here, right? So I think I've gained many things over here that I can't express and I can't describe in my words, right? And I already told you that it becomes day and night, that if I want to express my whole journey till now, up to now, then it becomes day and night. So thank you, my dear. And I want to end this, and I want to terminate my words after saying that there are no stars to align. That means it's never too late to start anything. If you are at this age, if you are at this level, then after some time you may improve yourself. There is no doubt in this. Thank you, my dear.